Chuck, multiple cases of measles have been identified in Chicago since last week. They are the first cases of the year in Illinois. Good Wednesday evening. I'm Tyler Lopez.
And I'm Janice Repholz. Thanks for joining us at 10. Now the health department is working to track down contacts and vaccinate people in the Windy City. With Chicago less than 3 hours away, should people here be concerned about contracting the measles virus?
Liz Lape talked to a doctor and county health staffers to find out in our top story tonight. Liz?
Chicago has 8 cases total now, and 7 of those are migrants staying in a shelter. Now, public health leaders are making sure people know the signs of measles in case it starts spreading here. One pediatric infectious disease specialist at OSF Children's Hospital says measles is easily contractable. In fact, the virus is airborne and stays in the air for 2 hours.
One person infects 12 to 18 other people. And this is the highest number among all infectious diseases.
He says people should watch out for symptoms similar to the common cold. A rash will form soon after initial symptoms develop and get worse.
The rash starts from the head and face, then goes down. And patient may have red eyes and fatigue and severe fever and GI symptoms as well.
McLean County Health Department immunization clinic supervisor says the only way to prevent getting the virus is receiving a measles, mumps, rubella vaccination. She says typically people get 2 vaccines as children and may require 1 or 2 more doses as an adult, depending on age and health history. But not every adult may need a vaccine.
There's a specific category for those who were born in 1957 or before, where they're considered to have presumptive immunity. This just means that they most likely had all 3, so measles, mumps, and rubella.
The health department's communicable disease coordinator says if someone thinks they have the measles, to contact their primary care doctor. She also recommends healthcare providers contact them for advice on testing.
We want to make sure that the person gets the proper tests and that test gets sent off to IDPH for testing.
The CDC also recommends a 21-day quarantine for those who may have been exposed to the virus. It's especially dangerous for kids under 5, immunocompromised, or pregnant. Governor Pritzker released a statement this afternoon saying the IDPH and Chicago County Health Department are working hard going to shelter to vaccinate people across the city. So far, 900 MMR vaccinations have been administered at the Pilsen Migrant Shelter in Chicago, where most of the cases have been found. And so far, no cases of measles have been tracked in Peoria or McLean County.